All parties Hurriyat Conference has strongly condemned the ongoing violent cordon and search operations, raids, killings, arrests, and other atrocities perpetrated by the Indian troops across the territory. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, also denounced the occupation authorities for disallowing Eid ul-Azha prayers at the historic Jamia Masjid and Eidgah in Srinagar. Extrajudicial killings, custodial torture, and arbitrary detentions by the Indian troops have become a regular feature in occupied Kashmir. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today deplored that the presence of over 1 million Indian Forces personnel has turned occupied Kashmir into a giant open-air prison, denying the residents even the basic rights, social, economics, and religious rights. Indian Army, paramilitary, and the police personnel have intensified cordon and search operations and raids across the various districts of the occupied Kashmir. Violent military operations are underway in the various towns and villages of the Kupwara, Bandipora, Doda, Riasi, Katwa, Samba, Rajouri, and the Poonch district. As Father's Day was observed globally, thousands of fathers in occupied Kashmir have lost their sons at the hands of the brutal Indian troops. Father Day was observed worldwide on the third Sunday in the June to recognize the contribution that fathers and fatherly figures make to the lives of their children. All India Majlis-e-Ittihadul Muslimin chief Asaduddin Awaisi has criticized the BJP-led Indian government for its decision to replace the term Babri Masjid with the three-dome structure in the history books. Indian Ministry of Education and controlled National Council for the Educational Research and Training in its latest revised textbooks has left the Babri Masjid out, referring it only with as the three-structure dome.